How to change your Uber driver profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your Uber driver profile picture. Now I'm unable to show you here as I don't have the driver account, but I'll just be guiding you through on how you can do so. If you want to do it on Uber then you can easily do it, but if you want to do it for the driver account, then if you open up here Uber, I'll just show you up here what you need to do. So you want to head into account section and then help. Under help you can see the account option, and under account again you want to head into account settings. Here you can see the very first option that says change rider profile picture. So you want to tap on it here. Do you have a driver account? As you can read that, riders with driver account must go through the driver app to change the profile photo. This applies if you ever created a driver account even it was never activated. Now your profile photo must be approved before it appears on your account. The approval typically takes 2 hours. Once approved, your photo updates on both your rider and driver account. So you'll have to go through the driver application and you'll be able to change it there. So you can easily get the driver application on the Play Store. So as you can see, you can open up this here and you'll have to request for a change, and once you change it, it'll go for a review, and once it has been reviewed, it'll be changed on both your rider and driver application or rider and driver account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.